car.
Дуже полезен, man.
Wait. What happened? Stop.
Oh my God, help me.
Stop. Mate, no hands. She's my girlfriend, okay, mate?
No hands.
Okay, mate? Please, pass through. You can go, okay? Go, please, go.
Okay.
Oh my God. Oh my God, thank you so much.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Don't worry,
Oh
everything's fine.
Adios, thank gosh. Okay, I'm here, I'm safe.
Yeah, you're safe, everything's fine. Where are you going?
I'm going home. I was just going from the bus station.
I can bring you home if you want it.
Oh my God, please, thank you. Thank
Okay,
you.
don't worry, everything's fine. I'm here.
Oh my God. Thank God you were here.
Don't worry. Okay, you say I have second helmet. Where do you live?
I live very nearby.
All right, just show me road. Yeah. Cool. Just
Okay.
don't worry. Just
Okay.
okay. Breathe. Everything fine. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you.
Oh my God, your hand's so shaky. Don't.
Porquê essa reação?
Hã?
Porquê essa reação?
Mas porquê é que tocaste, pá?
Então porque o senhor estava a ver
Então,
ver?
mas qual foi o teu problema, pá?
Foi vocês estarem a vir.
E uma pessoa parou para passar, qual foi o teu problema, pá?
Mas o meu problema foi...
Qual foi o teu problema?
Então porque eu buzinei.
Então vai-te embora, desaparece.
Mas você está a falar para quem?
Para ti, estou a falar para ti. E eu estou-te a falar para ti.
Você tem respeito?
Tem para quê?
Tenha respeito.
Porquê?
Tenha respeito para quem é que está a falar. Está a ouvir?
Filha da puta.
Mas você está a falar para quem?
Deixa, larga-me, larga-me.
Você não sabe para quem é que está a falar. Você não sabe.
Não sabe?
Não sabe. Digo já.
Larga-me a boca. Eu estou a falar para ti. Olha para mim. Estou, está-te parte todo, pá.
Mas por... Hey, you got it? Hey, hold on. Hey. Yo, what's up? Ты что, еблан, что ли?
Я видел тебя, зачем ты едешь?
Да нахуй ты, блядь, поворачиваешь, ты едешь! kurwa.
I was trying to let them wait, fuck's sakes. Fuck you. Talking to you. Yeah. You waving your finger at it? The van was reversing. You started waving your finger at me because I stopped to let him out.
Start waving your finger at me. You were looking at the car behind you.
Like coming up next to me, I was like, that's stupid.
Looking up the car next to you. Were looking at the car behind you and you were driving. You were still moving forward.
I stopped. I only moved forwards because the van was reversing. I'll let you finish. It's all on camera. So
You were still in motion and you were looking at the
I'd actually stopped, but I had stopped because I flashed the van. I flashed the van.
I beg to differ. You were actually still in motion and you're looking at it and you're dressing it.
Did you know how that car went past you just as you were coming up? They also went around me.
They're addressing the car. You're addressing the car behind you.
Why would I be dressing the car behind me and I'm flashing the van in front of me?
You were doing two things at the same time, pal.
I was looking at the van in front of me. I stopped in my lane. People were going around me because they're stupid.
Still in motion. You were still.
I was not still in motion. Why would they go around me then?
You were still in motion and you were addressing the car behind you. That's what I had a problem with. Right? You can film it all you want because that's fact.
It's,
You're addressing the car behind you. You're still in motion.
do you know what I say to the van? I stopped. I stopped. No, I wasn't big to danger to you. Listen, the car went around me, which was ridiculously stupid because I was flashing somebody out. That is dangerous, pulling into another lane into oncoming traffic because I was stopping to let somebody else out.
I'm not interested in basically that everything that was going on behind you. I was addressing you as to what you were doing. You were still in motion.
I had stopped. I had stopped. Turned around and went like that. What are you doing? I'm flashing somebody out. There's already a car went round me, which was really stupid.
You can look over your footage and actually.
I will, and it'll be 100%. Look for it on YouTube. I can't hear what you're saying. 2 seconds, 2 seconds. Right.
See anything that you're putting online, by the way? You know you obviously.
It's 100% legal. It is, because you know what? It's a YouTube channel. You're absolutely wrong. Anything filmed in the public eye is absolutely fine to be posted. You fire on, mate. You fire on. Maybe you should actually understand what's happening on before you actually comment on something then. Thanks very much. Can't hear you. Can't hear you. It's probably useless what you're saying anyways.